You ready? This is a little water turbine I've been messing with. It's made of a 3-liter bottle on the bottom, and there's 8 fins inside that start spinning as the water vortex down. And I've got a stainless steel shaft here. It has a little pulley on it, and there's a belt that goes through another pulley on this DC motor. And when the water starts spinning it spins the belt, spins the DC motor, and generates electricity. So I'll turn the water on, let you show it. I'll show it to y'all. See, right now there's not a perfect seal, as I've let some air in, but you can kind of see the whole concept going on. So the water comes in, and then it spirals down, vortexes down to the center, comes out the bottom, and there's fins in here that catch the water as it's flowing and makes it spin, put some torque on the shaft, and then turns this DC motor. And DC motors have permanent magnets inside of them and a coil, and as the permanent magnets move across the coil, it generates electricity. Right now I've hooked it up to my creek, and it's I'm not sure the voltage. I don't have a multimeter to test the voltage, but so far it's putting out enough to light over 60 LEDs. When I hook the LEDs up to it, you can barely tell any sort of drag on the motor, so that tells me that there's a lot more power it's producing, or a lot more LEDs I can put on it. Let me take it apart and let me show you how the inner workings of this thing. Gonna get a little zoom up on it. You can kind of look inside, and the water comes in right here, and then you see that there's 8 fins in there that start spinning, and then the water vortex is down the bottom, and it comes out the bottom. And you might notice what this is. It's just a 3-liter bottle that I took, and I measured it so I can make the spins pretty close to the inside of it. So right now this is just a prototype. Once I perfect it, I'm gonna experiment with the fin sizes, and I'm gonna probably change some of these pulleys, because I think it's giving me a lot more torque than I need, so I can turn this torque into RPMs if I increase the diameter of this pulley here. So I guess this is it, and I have some future videos of it working out at my property with the lights on it. See you later.